difficult when coming into the studio not to overanalyze everything that you're playing because it's so magnified. And with Breabach, I think we perform at our best when we're playing live. So trying to replicate that within the studio works well for us at Castle Sound with Stuart Hamilton because we have the space to do it. So that kind of, it still gives it our rawness of what we would have when we're playing live.
We've been rehearsing through the summer. We've been stuck inside rehearsal studios in Glasgow, but Greg's come in and worked with us on some of the music, and we've been steadily building it up, and it is a bit of a different sound for us.
They've asked me to come and produce, and producing is quite an ambiguous term. Your role always has to change, you know. I suppose I feel like I'm kind of gently suggesting things that might make them think slightly to one side.
Greg's been a fantastic producer and just exactly what we've needed. You know, he's somebody out with perhaps the folk music side of things, and it's a whole other dimension. He's got so much knowledge and experience of world music, and he's really put his heart and soul into working with us, which we've just kind of bounced off each other really well.
This is a group of people who are going through a musical journey together in a band, and with each stage they're accumulating experience and knowledge, and then they want to do something with that. And this is a big, I suppose that's what this album is very, very much about for them. It's about integrating everything that they've learned and trying to express that.
Nang